Ayo, I'm back. Yeah, apparently my video didn't record. I can only go for 3 minutes. Sorry about that. But the rules are, if you land right here, if you land right here, what? Landing here, 2 points. But if your opponent gets points and you have more points than them, you subtract the amount that they got by the you subtract your amount from their. Oh my god. They take their score and they take that away from your score. So say you got 9, they have. Say you got 8, they have 3. So then you would end up with 5 points. And that's how you play. This is my demonstration. Oh my god. Boom, straight in the hole, baby. Oh. Alright. Next one. Superman run. Huh. Why should I land on the board? Superman run. Not that first one, eh? Superman run. Superman run. Oh my god. Alright, listen boys. I guess. We're going to do a flash though. This is going to be cringy, but okay. I'll bring it back. Keep it down. Woo! Kakashi. If you guys ever wondered what Kakashi wearing a cat hoodie would look like, this is it. But, alright. So, I'm gonna end that video there. Just because I'm tired already. And there's stuff to do. So, see you in the next video.